Every company says they're reliable and do quality work. We would rather let our customers tell you that. Most companies have reviews somewhere, but a handful of reviews on a single platform doesn't tell you very much. What tells you something meaningful is when the same story keeps appearing across completely different platforms, left by completely different people, verified independently of each other. TMT Central is reviewed across 4 independent platforms: Checkatrade, TrustATrader, Trustpilot and Google. These are not testimonials we've selected and placed on our own website. These are reviews left independently by real clients, homeowners, business owners and managing agents across central London on platforms that have their own verification processes and their own standards. What you'll find across all 4 is consistent. People who say we arrived when we said we would, that the work was done properly, that the pricing was exactly what was agreed, that we communicated well and left the property clean. Over 10,000 jobs completed, hundreds of 5-star reviews across many platforms. That kind of consistency doesn't happen by accident. It comes from caring about the standard of every job, not just the ones that feel important. We understand that letting someone into your property requires trust, and that trust has to be earned. The reviews are there across all 4 platforms. We would encourage you to read them. When you're ready to talk about your job, our team is here, and we'll bring exactly the same care to your property.